Some machines are built to take you somewhere. Others are built to take you beyond. Where the road ends, the G-Class begins. It was never made to follow the path. It was made to create one. Through rock, through dust, through the impossible. Because true strength doesn't need to announce itself. You feel it. In every turn, every impact, every mile. But power is only part of the story. There is something else, something timeless, about a machine that refuses to become ordinary. Decades change, the world changes, the roads change, but some icons simply become legend. And when it arrives, you don't just notice it, you know something has arrived. Because some cars command the road, some command attention, and then there is the G-Class. The ultimate showstopper.